everyone. It's Jen Overmoyer, CAPS Nutrition Education Program Manager. My team and I are here today to share a special recipe for a very special day that is right around the corner, Mother's Day.
This is a great recipe for the awesome moms, grandmas, aunts, sisters, and other special women in your lives who deserve to be celebrated for all they do and for the love that they give.
It's super easy, requires no cooking, mess-free, and it's awesome for involving the kids, and perfect for a hand-delivered breakfast in bed, which makes it even more special.
Oh, and did we mention it's healthy too? Filled with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, calcium, and more. Okay, so enough with this suspense, right? What exactly is the recipe?
Today we're going to show you how to make a banana berry parfait. The recipe yields 8 servings, so you may have to adjust as necessary. We're going to make 1 serving in our demonstration, just so you're not confused. So we're doing about 1/8 of each ingredient. Let's go ahead and get right into the first step. We're going to prepare the berries and banana. If you're using fresh berries, rinse them well under running water and cut the leaves off of the strawberries. Then peel and slice the banana, which I already started doing. And I have some slices on my plate. You can see those. And you can also use frozen berries with this recipe. So I had some frozen berries. It's a berry mix. You can use whatever you like. I did set them out earlier today to thaw, or I also like running them under hot water and makes them easy and ready to go.
So next we're going to get a glass cup or bowl or dish to create the layers of the parfait. The first layer is about 1/2 cup of berries. I have fresh strawberries and blueberries here, but as Jen mentioned, you could use frozen. And we'll just go ahead and dump that in the bowl or cup or parfait glass. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and just go ahead and scoop that right on top. There's 1 and 2. Now, the recipe calls for vanilla yogurt. I actually have coconut yogurt, so if you have a flavor that you prefer, it's fine to adjust the recipe to suit your taste.
And next we're just going to add our sliced bananas. I've already pre-sliced mine. I'm going to add about 5 slices. And then after you've layered your bananas, you can put as many as you'd like. We're going to do another dollop of yogurt, about a tablespoon. And then after you've done your dollop of yogurt, you can add some dried cranberries or dried raisins. You can really use whatever dried fruit you'd like. Just going to take a little sprinkle of dried cranberries and place them on top like so.
Awesome. And finally, we will sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon on top. Give it a little sprinkle. And then it's all ready to be served to all those wonderful women in celebration of their day. See how easy that was?
What a great way to start the day, healthy, delicious, and looks pretty too. We hope you enjoyed this recipe demonstration and can't wait to see your creations on May 9th. Hint, hint, everyone, that's Mother's Day this year.
And be sure to share your creations or sweet Mother's Day photos with CAP. You can tag us at cap_LANC on Instagram and at Cap Lancaster on Twitter.
And to all those incredible moms out there, happy Mother's Day.